Hello guys, Group 6 will be presentation about Industry 4.0, how technology is revolutionizing the manufacturing industry. Industry 4.0 might sound like a SimCity style Titan game, but it's really the biggest shift to hit global manufacturing since automation. Centered around advanced robotic and automation, new ways of human-machine interaction and fast growth of data and industry connectivity, Industry 4.0 is poised to modernize manufacturing and boost Western industrial competitiveness. Coupled with the emerging Internet of Things or IoT, Industry 4.0 offers manufacturers the ability to collect, analyze, and act on immense stockpile of data like never before, and then set those actions in motion with highly efficient, automated robotic. The result, a higher quality product at a lower operating expense. What is Industry 4.0? Industry 4.0, also called Manufacturing 4.0, is the marriage of IT and manufacturing operation. The maturation of digital technology in the manufacturing industry. Mark Cleran, formerly the CEO of Explore Technology, said it represents a holistic shift from a centralized to decentralized manufacturing, which requires the adaptation of process, talent, and machine structure and technology. Here is look at some of the major components paving the way forward for manufacturing 4.0 and how they work. Together, they create a high-tech ecosystem of smart devices that assist on an optimized, efficient workplace.
Internet of Things as the number of smart devices and amount of data captured, analyzed, and stored grows. Connectivity and communication will only become more important. But within the enterprise and to third-party partners, companies will need their data to be shareable and compatible to enable a higher level of operation. IoT manufacturing enables virtual tracking of capital assets, process, resource, and product. This gives enterprises full visibility which streamlines business process and optimizes supply and demand. Artificial intelligence and machine learning. The information delivered by sensor and EUT-driven system is too fast for human to reasonable analyze. All and machine learning algorithms can contextualize the data and flag anomalies or make a recommendation. All is specifically useful when it comes to decreasing the massive flow of information captured by sensor and UT-enabled device. Those fast truth of data will be nearly impossible for a human operator to contextualize, so allowing computer to do it actually makes the captured data valuable. Mixed reality is also a major component of Industry 4.0. Big companies are already issuing mixed reality devices like helmets and glasses to employees in hopes that the increased communication and visualization of contextualized data will boost productivity and intelligent decision making. For training purpose, mixed reality creates an environment where employees can experience virtual situations relevant to their job within risking actual equipment or manufacturing uptime. Next, Akbar.
I will explain you about 3D printing. 3D printers have existed since 1983, so were often only in the hands of large companies. Back then, the term was rapid prototyping, and they certainly continue to do that today. But it's not just prototypes anymore. 3D printers are also employed in low volume manufacturing, perhaps to test product and or bring samples to trade shows. As the technology continues to improve, it's more, it's more common to find 3D printed parts within larger projects. Now is what are the advantages? Uh, in 3D printers, the advantage manufacturers to stand to reap from implementing those technologies include increased competitiveness increase productivity, increase revenue, and profitability, and then manufacturing process optimization, and the last one is seamless record keeping and traceability. In the last video, me and my friend saying thank you for your attention to watch this video and listening my presentation. Thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.